In a world that never sleeps, reliable cargo service acts as the lifeblood, connecting businesses, bridging gaps, and making the impossible possible. Picture this: a shipment of critical medical supplies reaching a remote hospital in time, or a consignment of fresh fruits delivered at their peak ripeness halfway across the globe. That's the power of a dependable cargo service. Imagine an express cargo service that takes the stress out of your shipping needs, one that not only promises speed but also delivers on reliability. That's where express cargo service comes into play, providing a seamless experience from pickup to delivery, whether it's by air or by sea. Why choose express cargo service? Because when time is of the essence, every second counts. Express cargo service offers speedy delivery, ensuring your shipments reach their destination on time, every time. But it's more than just speed. It's about trust and peace of mind. With express cargo service, your goods are not just packages. They're treated with the utmost care, because we understand their importance to you. But that's not all. Express cargo service also offers comprehensive tracking, keeping you in the loop every step of the way. No more guessing games, no more uncertainties. Just the confidence that your shipment is on the right track. And the cherry on top? Competitive pricing. Express cargo service provides top-notch service without breaking the bank, because we believe in delivering value, not just parcels. So, when it's time for your next shipment, why not give express cargo service a try? Experience the difference of a service that's not just fast and reliable, but also committed to your satisfaction. After all, in the world of business, the only constant is change. But with express cargo service, one thing remains steady: our commitment to delivering your goods safely, swiftly, and efficiently. Remember, the world is smaller than it seems, and with express cargo service, it's just a shipment away.